the grammar of Soumo nai or so ni nai in Japanese. The grammar of Soumo nai or so ni nai is mean that very unlikely to or showing no sign of the something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of Soumo nai or so ni nai, that means you can use the verb in the stem form only. In the stem form, that means you have to change your verb to be the mass form, and after you cut out the mass, and after you cut out the mass, you can follow by Soumo nai or so ni nai. Mass form, for example, the dictionary form, you can say iku, which means go. Mass form can say ikimasu, right? Ikimasu. So we cut out the mass, we can just say iki soumo nai, iki so ni nai, or kuru, kimasu, right? So cut out the mass. Ki soumo nai, ki so ni nai, something like this. And it have the meaning that very unlikely to happen. That means something that you never thought that it will happen, but it happened. Or some situation that you never expect before that it will occur, but it already occurs. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of Soumo nai or so ni nai, let's go to see some example together. The first example in here they say そんなことは起こりそうもないですね。そんなことは起こりそうもないですね。Which means that does not seem likely to occur. That does not seem likely to occur. The second sentence できそうもないことを簡単に引き受けるな。できそうもないことを簡単に引き受けるな。Which means don't take on things that you can't do easily. Don't take on things that you can't do easily. Let's consider the first sentence. In first sentence, they say, in here they use the verb of okoru. Okoru is mean happen or occur. But in here they change the verb to be the mass form, so it can be okorimasu. Okorimasu. So after you cut out the mass, you just left only okorisomo nai. This name, right? That means okorisomo nai. That means does not seem likely to occur, right? But it occurs. The truth. And for the second sentence, this say dekisomo nai. In here they use the verb in the dekiru, right? Dekiru change to be the mass form, can be dekimasu. So cut out the mass, we just left only deki followed by soumo nai. So we can say dekisomo nai koto o kantan ni hiki ukeru na. Dekisomo nai, this means the thing that you think that you cannot do, right? Or the thing that it seems that you never do it before, you never done it before. So the thing like that you should never promise that you will do for anybody. So in Japanese they say できそうもないことを簡単に引き受けるな。In here it says 引き受ける is mean you get that word from another body, another person or somewhere, some organization, some company. Right, so when you say 引き受ける is mean that you get, but na is mean the negative form, right? So don't get. So in this they say you can't do easily. Example 今の私の安い給料では何年働いても自分の家は買えそうもない。今の私の安い給料では何年働いても自分の家は買えそうもない。Which means that with my current low salary, I'm not going to be able to buy a house, no matter how many years I work. With my current low salary, I'm not going to be able to buy a house, no matter how many years I work. You see that in this sentence, they use the verb kae somo nai, right? In here, they use the verb kau, right? Kau is mean by. Kau, right? Kau, kaimasu. If you change to be the masu, you can say kaimasu. Kaimasu is mean by. But in here, they say kae, right? Kae, you can change to be the able to do something. You can say kaemasu, right? Kaemasu, that means able to buy, or you can buy. So you can say kaemasu. So in here we cut out the masu, just like only kae, right? After that followed by somonai, which means kae somonai. Kae somonai. Somonai, this means in your opinion, in your idea, that if you have only the salary like this, you cannot buy a house, right? So in Japanese you can say kae somonai, right? But in the truth, maybe you can buy by some extent, by some time that you can get some money from somewhere that you never expect before, right? But according to your salary only, maybe you cannot. So in Japanese they say kae somo nai. 何年働いても自分の家は買えそうもない。Right? Because your salary is very low. It's too cheap. Right? The next. 天気予報では雪を降ると言っていたが、この様子だと全く降りそうにない。天気予報では雪を降ると言っていたが、この様子だと全く降りそうにない。Which means that the weather report says it would snow, but it doesn't look like it will snow at all. The weather report says it would snow, but it doesn't look like it will snow at all. In here we see that they say mataku furiso ni nai. This means they use the verb furu. Furu is means raining, right? Furu is mean raining, so we can change to be the masu form. We can say furimasu, right? Furimasu. But in here it's not raining. Furu is mean fall down, right? Fall down. This mean in here they say yuki. Yuki is mean snow. It means snow, right? So the snow falling down. But you say fully masu, right? So we cut the man just like only fully and followed by so ni nai. Fully so ni nai is mean it seem not be able to fall to snow, something like this. So in this sentence they say 天気予報では雪を降ると言っていたが that means according to the weather report that they say it would be snow, but when you この様子だと全く降りそうにない means that you let you just see, you just get see the real situation. The real situation that it cannot be, it seems not to be snow. So they say 全く